Hello. To achieve this effect, is to sync your sound to the exact spot that this is hitting. So what I did was to create an animation from this to this, and at this spot I create a sound layer. The top layer is the red box. The sound layer is always at the bottom. So you drag it down. Even if the layer comes from top, you can click, hold, and drag it wherever you want. And then once you create that, you create the keyframe same way, and once you create the keyframe, you don't have to do classic tween. Just bring in what you call the sound frame here. Create a keyframe here, and then you go to File, Import, and Import to Library. So once you import to library, this will come in like this. So this is your library, and then you drag it to the stage, and it should actually start from here. And when it starts from there, you get the animation, and syncing the animation to the impact that is there. So I'm going to show you how that is done again so that it's clear to all of you. So let me undo. So I have this object, and then I go to any frame I want, create the keyframe, and then select the object, go to the middle, say 60, and then create the keyframe there, and then bring this down, and then you can see that over here it is up, over here it is down, up again. Maybe just bring it up this much. So you can click on the whole frame and do a great classic tween, and you can play it. So now you want to sync it right here. So what you do is you name the first layer red box, and then you create another layer which is on top. You name it sound effect or whatever name you want. Press enter, return, and then you drag it down so it should be at the bottom. So check whether this comes up, because that shows that you're on the keyframe. So what you do is you go to File, Import, Import to Library, and then you test your So I think this is the second one, which is already here. No, it's not that. So I'll just go in and click and bring it in. I can test it here. So if I know exactly where it will start, make sure that you click on the sound layer, then click here with your left mouse button and drag it. Sorry. Before you do that, you have to create, in the second layer, you have to create a keyframe. And then you drag it to the stage. So you can see now this is coming in. So when you play, you You can also press Control or Command, enter or return. So how you sync it is very, very important. The exact spot. So this is how you add sound. And we have talked about event and streaming and other things. Look at your handout and we'll talk more about it. So this is how you bring in sound with animation. Hope that helps. Thank you.